Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about super.com, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. So, Supercom has been getting a lot of attention lately, especially for its budget travel and saving features. According to their Trustpilot page, they're rated 4.4 out of 5 stars based on more than 41,000 reviews, which is pretty impressive. Many users rave about scoring cheap hotel deals that actually delivered, and that cashback feature seems to work well for some. However, it's not all sunshine and smooth check ins. About 12% of the reviews are 1 star, with common complaints about hidden fees, confusing charges, and issues trying to cancel or get refunds. Some users also mentioned they got automatically enrolled in subscription services without realizing it. Over on Reddit, the opinions are mixed. Some folks on the travel hacks community say they've saved money and didn't run into any problems, while others felt burned by unexpected cancellations or unhelpful customer support. To be fair, Super.com seems like a real company. It's not a scam site trying to steal your info, but their service quality can vary, especially depending on what you're booking and how carefully you read the terms. For the final verdict, Super.com is legit but not perfect. If you're the kind of person who triple check details, read the fine print, and knows how to spot upsells, you could definitely save money here. Just be careful with your querying fees and don't skip the confirmation emails. It's not a one size fits all service, but it might work for you if you're cautious. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.